Crossroads with Nadia. Skill set. 2. Positioning. Developing junction approaches. New right turn bays, yellow box, discipline. Quick link back. Your loop. Told you lanes and priorities. What's today's aim? Choose the right lane early, slide cleanly, keep wheels straight when waiting, and avoid blocking. Say your positioning flow. Choose early, slide accurately, hold wheels straight, protect space. Going ahead, where do you sit? Central in the ahead lane so I don't drift into a turn lane. The yellow box ahead and exit looks busy. I hold before the box until my exit space is available. Left turn, position. Keep left but outside any cycle lane. Line up square to the stop line. Right turn. Where and how do you wait? In the right turn lane, tot box with wheels straight. If allowed to wait ahead of the stop line, I pause near the center with wheels straight so a rear shunt won't push me into oncoming. Lane splits ahead at the lights. Move now or later. Pick for my next road early. Mirrors, signal if needed. One calm slide, no last second swerve. Right turn bay short and full. I wait in the ahead lane without blocking. Enter the bay only when there's space. Independent positioning run. Narrate it. Mirrors. Choose early. Slide once. Settled in lane. Wheels straight at the line. Not blocking crossings or side roads. Quick recap line. Read early. Choose early. Slide cleanly. Wait wheels straight.